Yo.fan alternative. Okay, please, if this is the first time of watching our channel, please do well to subscribe as we are researching to give you more updates about Yo.fan and alternative. But in that today's video, we want to give you what is called I high link. I link. It's also a Adsense alternative or Yo.fan alternative. They are good partners with Google. Okay, ilink.me. Okay, you search on Google, said free customization, sign up. You also earned. This one is a quick and sharp approval. Okay, it's just like Yo.fan. Okay, how do we get started? You go to Google. Don't worry about the link. I'll drop you the link on the video, in the video description rather. Okay, you go ilink.me. Okay, you click on it. Okay, it tells you let's create just one. Look at what it's saying, just one link for everything. Okay, you've seen from here. It said okay, sign up for free. You've seen it said sign up for free. Okay, you've signed up. Always like signing up using Google Adsense, Google Mail rather, beg your pardon. So said okay, sign up with Google. Click okay. Then I said okay, let me use this one. Alberto, this other email. Okay, it's opening. Just a few clicks, you are done. You apply. You apply for the AdSense. Okay, it's loading. It's I link. Okay, it's telling me. Okay, paste your link. You can get a free site, a free domain, free hosting, either from a Zoic or anywhere. Okay, what you need to do, like I'll use one of my website. Okay, soft.com.ng. Okay, I now copy the URL. Okay, now copy the URL. Okay, I now paste it. Said paste it. Okay, and now paste the URL here. Paste your link here. You paste the link. Come on, it's loading. It's loading. Okay, say paste your link here. The platform is so sensitive in such a way. If you delay, it will log you out and log in. Okay, I add the link. It's loading. It said okay, your link has been added. Then you click on end. What's keeping you online? You want to earn money, right? So you click on the end from the link video description. I'll drop you the link direct that will take you to end. Then you sign up. You see, these are the steps. These are the steps rather. Then turn on advertisement on your link page and start earning money, monetizing your audience. What's keeping us? We now click turn on. As you click on turn on, they'll ask you by turning on advertisement on your ilink.me page, you agree to the following. Agree not to generate page impression or click by clicking on your own live advertisement placement. That is one. You click, you said you accept. Another one is agree not to use automated clicking tools, traffic sources or robots or other deceptive software. You accept. Said agreed not to generate any illegal, racy or pornographic content. You said agreed. Said agreed on ilink.me terms and policy. Agreed. Then when you agreed on all this, you click next. As you're clicking on next, they'll say, please select your top audience country. I prefer that you choose a tier 1 country. Said, for example, if you are based in Australia, most likely your top audience country is Australia as well. You can select up to 10 countries. The more you select, the more monetization opportunity you will have. Okay, let's go there. I choose United States. United States. Okay. I choose again United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Okay. I choose again Nigeria. Okay. Watch you. Don't just follow me step by step so they get it right. United States, United Kingdom, Nigeria, Australia, Tier 1 country, although Nigeria is not Tier 1, but I'm just putting it for an example, okay? Belgium, Belgium, Canada. Let's also put Mexico because we are targeting just 10 countries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are left with 3. Which other again? Germany. Okay. Austria. I like that country. Austria. Is it Austria? Yeah, Austria. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lastly, South Africa. Okay. Then you apply for review. You apply. Okay. They will tell you thanks. Thank you. We'll review your account and automatically turn on advertisement if it meets all our advertisement or advertising guidelines. I said, okay, sound good. Click. You've seen from here, just few clicks, you are done. Now go to your Adsense. I'm bringing an example. This is mine that has been approved. Okay, just logging in. They will tell you, as manager, you see it on the 22nd, as manager has been approved and your Adsense now ready to save ads. You've seen, you say congratulations, your site is now ready to show ads. Okay, it's loading. You say congratulations on activating your Adsense account. You've seen. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe, share and like and comment on our video. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.